My Green Garden, Cultivating Learning with AI. Many students and families miss out on the benefits of gardening. My Green Garden uses community-based learning and AI to promote healthy habits, reduce food waste, and support a greener environment. We're bringing gardening into the 21st century. Our smart garden monitoring system uses sensors and AI to track soil moisture, temperature, and sunlight. It alerts users or automatically waters plants when needed. This teaches students how AI uses data to make real-world decisions. GreenBot is our AI garden assistant, designed to monitor and care for the school garden effectively. Sensors collect data, AI analyzes plant needs, and the system sends alerts or activates watering. An app dashboard displays plant health and offers AI-driven tips. We created a smart garden at school, growing vegetables and gathering data with sensors and Arduino. We built a simple app to monitor plant status and send alerts. The AI learns from plant data, decides when to water, and sends care tips to students. GreenBot solves real gardening problems, saving water and time while supporting learning and environmental care. It even works during school breaks. It detects soil conditions, controls watering, sends smart tips, tracks health, and learns from data. We prioritize privacy by only using plant data. Fairness is ensured as all students have equal access. Human control remains paramount. AI supports but doesn't replace decisions. We promote sustainability and teamwork. For more information on gardening best practices, check out resources like Gardening Tips for Beginners by Jay Smith, the WHO's research on urban green spaces.